Welcome back to episode 4 of the Ultimate Tiny Camper build. It currently is 5:30 in the morning. We have a ton of stuff to do today, which means an early start. We're gonna pick up quite a few deliveries and spare parts for the van, finish up filing and painting the footwell, plus fix the chip paint. And if time allows for it, I will fix the headlights. Made it to the van, so let's get started. Alright, so the footwell is done. Now I didn't care at all about getting a nice finish because I'm gonna cover it in insulation anyways. It's just to protect from rust. So now there's only one thing left before we can head off to pick up all the new stuff. So I've been thinking about this window for quite a while now, and it just doesn't really fit into my plans. And because I can't open it, it isn't really useful anyways, because I get enough light from the back and I will have a roof vent / skylight installed anyways. Now I had kind of two options. I could wrap it black so it fits into this black strip, but that would look kind of weird because the other side is completely white. So my thinking is it would look best if I just wrap it white, get rid of this, and then it would look pretty clean in the end. Looks like I ripped off the paint right off the metal. Now that doesn't really speak for the paint quality on these, does it? Finished everything up for the time being, so off we go.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644.
So first up is a CNG station. You might hear it in the background. That's actually super cool because I'm now in Germany and here CNG is about half the price, plus 100% of it is biogas, which means it's from cow poop and rotten plants, whatever. And in Switzerland, usually it's only 20%. Next stop, I gotta pick up the packages and then go through customs, and that's kind of a nitty-gritty process, but oh well. Now, if you're wondering why I'm going to Germany to buy that stuff, we don't have Amazon, but in Germany you can order everything on Amazon. So for example, the insulation, we would only have Armaflex, which runs about 50% more expensive than Armaflex in the US. But here I got K-Flex, you might have heard it. It actually has better insulation properties and it is much cheaper. Alright, I think tank is full, let's get going. Lunchtime! I got a pumpkin seed cheese bread thingy and an apple cinnamon roll. Now the problem is they're touched, so my cheese smells like apple cinnamon. Let's go. Alright, I'm glad I have a van. Look at this. Pretty full. Now I gotta get it through customs. Let's see. So I did make it through customs, but they put me through the commercial exit because I had a van and they thought it was a commercial transporting thingy. So yeah, I had to walk around quite a bit, but I got it done. Picked up the car parts and yeah, I'm so exhausted now. It's quite warm. I'm so glad I got an AC. Yeah, it's almost 4 p.m. and I'm at the hardware store right now where I gotta pick up some lumber to start framing out the back, but mainly for the subfloor. Now, I'm sorry for the bad footage from in the store, but I don't feel comfortable to bring my huge camera in there, so my phone gotta do. Alright, see ya! That was stupid. I got my sweaty, sticky stuff on the lens. I've never ever seen such a big insect hotel. That's so cool. So they did have some really nice ones, but all the way in the back. Now if you're wondering what I was doing with looking at all them, let me show you. That's how you can see if you're crooked or not. Energize, I needed that. Made it, I'm back. I am exhausted, but I have this super stupid thumbnail idea. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go for it. You'll see what I mean. Now I sure hope that effort was worth it, because I am dead. but I guess it worked because you clicked on the video and watched till now. So big thanks already. Now on to the even worse part. I gotta carry all the boxes downstairs for next week's unboxing video, and then I can finally switch the headlights. Alright, now I did say it before, remember the window tint? It seems they are just kind of drop-in headlights. I've never replaced any before, but there's a plug and a couple bolts, so I think that should be a fairly quick job. Also, we only have 1 hour till sunset, so I better get going. So I think I got it figured out. Looks are deceiving. There's 4 easy bolts, and then there's a pack, a little one, that you can only access behind this panel. And time is running out, and I really don't want to not have the light in and have to drive home. So, yeah. Hate to break it to you, but no new lights today. Also, just putting your bolts on the grass is such a stupid idea. This guy is far too nice not to show you, so I'm gonna throw on a sunset time lapse while I'm doing the paint. I'll show you the results, and that will wrap it up for this episode. Right, so it still is clearly visible, but to be honest, I don't really care. In fact, if it looks kind of rough from the outside, maybe I get less break-ins or no break-ins. I did on this side, then some spots here on the trunk, and also on the sliding door. So that's it for episode 4 of the van build. It was a super long and exhausting day, but I really enjoyed making this video, kind of more of a vlogging style. Please let me know in the comments if you liked it, or if you have any suggestions. That would really help me out. See you soon. Plus.